Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to solve Xbox account not connecting to Marvel Rivals. So with that being said guys, let's get started with today's video. So the first step is to check your internet connection. Ensure your Xbox is connected to the internet. Try running a network test to confirm your connection is stable. The following step is to just restart the game, close Marvel Rivals completely and restart it. This can resolve temporary connectivity issues. The third step is to verify Xbox Live status. Check the Xbox Live service status on the page to see if there are any ongoing issues with the service that might affect game connectivity. The second last step is to just relink your Xbox account, and the last step is to just clear your cache and restart your Xbox. So if you follow these steps and the issue persists, you can consider reaching out to Marvel Rivals support for further assistance. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video. If you found this video will be helpful, then consider subscribing. With that being said guys, I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.